This here's the next project. This is going to be Gossamer and Bugs Bunny, classic Looney Tunes cartoons. For this project, I used an old piece of cedar and a router bit to set my depth. I recently bought a new collet. It's a 1/2 inch collet to a 1/8 inch bit. This is a 1/8 inch CNC bit in there right now, so I'm trying it out for the first time. So far I cut the eyes out and it seems to work just fine. So I've got the whole inside of the picture carved out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my router bit and I'm going to carve a bit deeper. Alright, just as I was finishing up, the bit snapped. It lodged into a piece of wood and I pulled it. It didn't fly anywhere or anything like that, so that was good. I'm going to try and peel some of this paper off and sand the paper off of it. Gonna put a coat of this primer on it. I took a pencil out and I drew some lines to where the gray is gonna be for this. For my previous project, I have all sorts of mixed colors, and these are Looney Tunes characters, so some of these colors are the exact same. The gray for Bugs Bunny. So I'm gonna start with that. The color I made for Gossamer. Kind of red and orange, mixed mainly orange and red together. I find one of the most enjoyable parts about these projects is coming up with the colors. Most of these colors I'm mixing together to create. I find it a little bit relaxing and a bit of a challenge at the same time. I'm going to start working on the background now. This area here is a red that turns into a black. And this is a black that turns into a green. Now we're going to finish up with the gray on Bugs. This will be the last coat. Alright, this is always the most fun part of these projects, is when you put the black on. I'm just going to put the finishing touches on this by applying some min-wax polyacrylic. Very easy to put on. And this is what it looks like finished. Turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel.